How to schedule your TikTok post. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. In the source bar, you need to search for tiktok.com/upload. You will land on this page. Tap on Not Now. Now simply log into your account. Let me tap on Continue with Google. Select the specific Google account associated with your TikTok account. Wait for a while. Well, it will redirect you to this page. Swipe left and you will find the option of Select File. Click on it. Now select the video from the gallery that you want to schedule. Let's say I want to schedule this video. Tap on it. And then tap on Done at the top right corner. It will start to upload your video. Now once again swipe left and over here you will find the option of Schedule Video. You need to toggle on this option and then click on Allow. Now you will be able to set the time and date for your post. Tap right here and set your date. Let me set it to November 8. And then set the time to 4:30 p.m. You can see that the time and date has been set for your post. Now in the caption, you need to simply enter the caption for your post. Once you are done with all of this, simply tap on Schedule. And the post for your TikTok will be successfully scheduled and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to schedule TikTok posts. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.